It is going to seem like me and you guys are spending the time together watching the Bbnaija show, and I'm giving you updates back to back as it is hot. And that's what you signed up for when you subscribe to my channel, or when you continued coming to view my videos, which makes me so happy. Of course, this video is as usual. Make sure you watch it till the end so you can get the full dose of everything that is discussed and spoken about. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share, comments down below, share this video so the more people can get to see. Don't forget to subscribe. Now, this might seem little to you, but it means a lot to me. Now, thank you. Now, in this video, I'm going to relate to you everything that happened, all the gossips and conniving and fights after the nominations were announced and those who were up for eviction was announced. And then the fact that Shay and Ike had an interview on TikTok Live on the Big Brother page, and it was indeed an earful, a mouthful, and an eyeful, because people literally dragged Shay to hell. Now, of course, and no matter how long or how short you get to see this particular video, please stick till the end so that I can get it. And I'm sorry because there are a lot of parts I miss, but then you're going to see even that of Ike's own interview, and I mean, it was intense. Now, he explained a lot of things, but who cares? The fact that the both of them have left the show, everybody is now at peace. Now, of course, immediately after the housemates were announced that were up for eviction, we know that there's WhiteMoney, there's Doing, there's Venita, there's Kim, and there's one other person, if I'm not mistaken. You can share the comments down below. Now, Venita stole, what's his name, Somadina from Angel, and went to the garden to have a conversation with him. And here she was talking about how she knows she has lived her truth in the show. She has not been conniving. She did not gossip about anybody. She's been true to herself. So if Nigerians feel that it is now time for her to leave, she has no problem with it. You know, she has, it's like when somebody comes off saying that, I've lived my footprints in the sands of time. And see, you don't know what people are saying of you outside of the house. So please, don't you dare stress me right now. Then we had Angel and Mercy Eke, who went into the pink room to have their own gossip and conversation. They were so glad that they put up the like of Kim Opera and what's her name, Venita, up for eviction. Now, although it was coming off, one of them said they were shocked that Doing was up for eviction. But of course, it is what it is. They also celebrated the fact that people who were neutral persons like Cross and is it Cross and WhiteMoney or who? Well, they mentioned Cross. They were happy that Cross was not up for eviction, and they were shocked that Ilebaye was up for eviction. But the most interesting part of the after conversation of, you know, after the eviction was announced, the eviction list, we saw that Cross and Kim were in the garden having a conversation around that place where, you know, people lie down and relax with the covers. And she was lamenting how Omashola betrayed her. They had a conversation on whom he was going to choose if he won the head of house, whom he was going to choose as BFFs. And, you know, she expected he was going to choose her, but instead she had to go and choose those vile girls, CeeC and Mercy Eke, people who had enjoyed the place. For example, Mercy has enjoyed the head of house lounge like up to like 3 times, and this is her 4th. And then y'all remember that Omashola pointed at people like Cross and, you know, Venita and their couples, and he was like, he was not going to choose them because they were coupled up. This girl was really angry. Omashola was even apologizing. I'm like, I beg you. Now, at this point, all I'm going to say is I watch this video till the end, because the interview between Shay and Ike on TikTok Live is here. We watch the whole video. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next one.
Let me correct something. The jury, they were the ones
saving you.
That saved you.
So
like
in the same market as well now.
3 times.
I was selling my market now, don't you think? If you don't sell market, how else will you be pity, or will you be messy? Will they share me, put messy points?
Well, what can I say?
But I say market now. They say I could not market, so I have to sell market. You get me?
Hello.
Remember, did you know your big brother said that if you go and say anything about who will vote for who, you will be punished severely. That means you cannot market your market, but you can sell market. You get me?
I don't get you.
You know you get me.
I don't.
See that.
if that we don't have a short time frame for this live stream, I for argue to the last line. But but then again, I'm going to let you go. It was lovely to talk to you. And what's next for you?
Wow. Hopefully greatness,
Hopefully you get the villain role. Because
I know he did. He did. I'll just leave it to fate. And I mean, there's a couple of productions of my own. Hopefully that I'll be successful with. And just watch out for greatness. Watch this space.
Okay, thank you so very much.
So just all my thank you for having me.
ASAP, you don't want to leave. Now, I want you guys to send in questions. the comment section is little. Please don't leave. Ike is coming. Ike is literally coming, so don't even move an inch. Can we have Ike? Okay, Ike is here. Can we have our Ike? Ladies and gentlemen, please be sending your messages as rapidly as possible. Like the live stream and please be gifting. Be gifting. Be gift. If you're enjoying the conversation, be gifting. Okay, we have the man of the hour. Ike, come closer. Yes. Don't be far away from me now. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Ike here. I know you guys want to roast Ike. Don't worry, I'm here to make sure that roasting happens. Ike, how are you? How are you feeling?
Wait, they won't roast me.
Before?
I'll be chicken.
I be talking.
I beg.
Okay, how are you?
I'm sad. I was just on Twitter now and watching the show earlier. I'm like, I wish I was there. My guy on Mashallah just won head of house. I'm like, he picked some BFFs I like and some I don't like, but he picked some nice BFFs and I'm just like, damn, if I was there, I'll be upstairs.
Right?
Yeah.
But you've been upstairs like multiple times. Like,
anyway, but still now.
Anyway, upon still, but okay, so let's start off strong or mild. You had this love-hate thing for Mercy. What was that about?
Wait, what love-hate thing?
Like, we see you going to beg Mercy for, like, to be friends, and then boom.
Is that saying there? I don't see that. They didn't say that here. I didn't see anyone.
Well, I have my questions I want to ask you. Ike, you had a key that could open almost 4 lockers.
So you know that one. Who told you that one?
We are watching this show back to back now. You were so obsessed. In fact, you collected 40 money points coins from Kidwire, yet you still did not give him part of me.
Now, my game now. I'm just playing my game. In that house, I didn't know what the coins were for, but I know if they call me to All Stars and they now put coin, they know what will happen next now. They already knew what was going to happen when they called me.
Oh, because some people were like, what is wrong with Ike? Big brother, call Ike out for this thing he's doing because he's getting out of hand. Undying mission. Can you come close? I feel like you're a little
okay. But I let them breathe now. I let them breathe small.
Okay. You were headache, God in heaven knows. Okay, now your friendship with CeeC, was it genuine or it was just some sort of strategy you were playing?
No, we've met outside the house. She's a great person too. So based on that, obviously I'll always try and lean on someone that I know from outside for a new person. But I think you guys saw we had a great vibe.
Yeah, gossiping vibe, yes. You guys had a gossiping vibe. But I just wanted to know because it seemed as though maybe you couldn't really be friends with Mercy again. So, okay, who is the next person that is probably strong? And then you're like, oh, CeeC.
Me, I thought I was the strongest in that house. I'd be number one for that house. Now only maybe 1 or 2 girls are more than the guys. So that was really it. So we said,
so you guys wanted to use that as a propeller that, okay, maybe they go house now.
Yes, now. Some of these girls, the only way they go house is disqualification. Some of them, they go see finals, no worry. They know since the beginning. So we just do our own game.
So the person that is not your bestie, you were plotting for her to go. When she did not go.
No. You know something about CeeC? How many times she used hand? She just gave mouth. It's really the ones that were fighting, you know. We have fighters in that house, as you guys can see.
So tell me, who are these fighters? For you, because...
Me? Anyway, all the boys and girls in that house, they just use mouth. You understand? But but you know, say there was people in that house every day, fight.
I mean, first, second, third week, it was fights back to back.
But I think we all in the house, most of us, not all of us, but most of us felt like that's what people wanted, you know. So
what would you guys think that? Please, people that are watching, you like all the fights that were happening?
True or false? Tell the truth. Do you like them or you don't like them?
Maybe we like them maybe just small. But then again, some of these fights went from being a little bit entertaining to being very toxic.
Like which one?
Okay, what was the rationale? What be the reason? What be the cocoa? Why did you trash Ilebaye's stuff?
That wasn't a fight now though. Was that one of the fights? I thought
do you feel that if Ilebaye just almost slip a stone, you say fight not gonna happen? No, do you feel that's not worthy enough to cause a heated fight, that Big Brother will come down and come and separate fight? Do you think that was not?
No. It obviously would have provoked anybody.
Yes, but the question now is, why did you go that far?
You know, that house sometimes, 120 million, you start thinking different things. You know, and I was just thinking too fast, and I was moving too quick, and
you were. Wait, in fact, were you not scared for your own?
That's the reason I just apologized, because I just grabbed her clothes, threw it. I didn't really look at what was what.
Were you high?
From drinks and all the little drinks that we have.
Yeah.
Which a small beer now. No, I never high. It was just more of like being in an intense moment, and then I was thinking, okay, it's not a fight. No one's gonna know, that kind of thing. Like
what? But people were there. I mean, Venita was there.
No, those ones will never tell. Those ones can never tell. You understand?
The conspiracy in that house is a lot. You were one of the chief conspirators. Like, you were conspiring every now and then. Why?
But you know, this season, the one thing that they kept pointing out to us is that we're allowed to conspire. So I really felt like that ginger inside of me, maybe everyone didn't.
But you will conspire. Why did you make yourself that person to execute what was said? Because of course Pere will always bring ideas. Yes?
Yeah.
Kidwaya will always bring ideas. But Ike will be the person to why?
No, you know, they didn't even bring that idea.
No, they didn't bring the idea. Yeah. No, I didn't say they bring.
Yeah, just
but they will
energy.
talk. Yeah, they will talk and talk. And you now.
I never been that talking type of guy. I don't even like people that talk too much. Sometimes I even be having this talk with them like, let's do something. You know, I'm looking for the action. They just want talk. And I tried to really be myself this season, but I got carried away because of just because of, you know, in the rules have specific things that it says, and I was like, okay, let me see how I can bend the rules and, you know, have fun in the house and still cause that chaos that I was looking for. I said the only way I was going to win in this season if I caused enough chaos that I could find a way through. You know?
Because you even said, my name is Strike. I know if you're Biggie again. It was before I used to be scared of Biggie. Now I'm not afraid of Biggie again. My second name is Strike.
You like that?
Ike, I am just out of words for you. How did you go from being the sweet Ike that we knew in the Pepper Dem Gang season to this Ike when no get? In fact, your brain just go backward. You are just moving head on.
I swear. You know, I think she gives me that guy's girl type of vibe. Okay. You know, so it's crazy how we bonded in the house. And the water, you know, we were splashing each other, then fell inside the water. I think once we fell inside the water, she had her, like, she panicked or something. So when she got out, she was thinking that no one was trying to, like,
drown her,
put her in the water, when really she pushed me.
Seyi was trying to drown her. It means Seyi was trying to drown her. And, you know, because the way the camera angles were, we didn't really see.
Yeah.
You guys were kind of in one corner.
We're in the deepest.
You guys were in the corner and we were not really seeing what was going on. So
and it was too fast.
Yeah, it happened really fast. And we were waiting for Big Brother's verdict. And, you know, if you had survived one more week, I mean, if you had survived this week, Chai, don't cry. What do you think you could have done differently?
Definitely this week I would have turned up the pressure still. But definitely I was already trying to kind of rebuild some kind of alliance, because I know say that the only way to make it to that finals was if people vote or people nominate or pardon the right way.
Yeah.
So my goal was definitely to do nice guy, build the alliance back with the people who were ready to, and then I seen my guy mashallah won. I would have been upstairs chopping live.
Yeah.
But I think I was having feelings of like what to do as far as the coins, because I know that they were going to be important. So you know, I gave Ilebaye a little bit of her coin back, but I was thinking, okay, this coin's now. Do I still go get more, or do I just chill?
Guy,